Hello everybody and welcome back to Christmas Crunch. This is the second time I've tried doing this and Steam is going to irritate me by being there, so I'm very quickly going to close that down. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Let's get started. We're gonna fix what we did last time, which was the names weren't working, and I got a very simple fix for that. If that wasn't there, then maybe that might help. What we need to do is we need to create a lang file, and this lang file tells Minecraft what we should call things. Now to do this, what we need to do is we need to go to resources. We need to make a new folder called assets. I've already made it, so new package assets, and from there you need to go new package and then Christmas Crunch. There we go. And then in there, you need a new folder called lang. And then finally in that folder, you need a new file called en_us.lang. Okay, so in here, what we need to do is we need to put what the name is. So, if we go in here, it says, well, it needs to be item dot the mod ID to lowercase, then a colon, then the unwrapped localized name. So that'll be what? That'll be, if we look in here, we've set the unlocalized name. That's not, we haven't done that. We haven't set the unlocalized name, which is what we need to do. So this, we're saying this class dot set unlocalized name mints, and then we're gonna do names dot items dot mince pie, and there we go. If we head back to names, we can see that it's mince pie. We're going to change this to capital M, no, uncapital mince, and then capital P-I-E. So it's like that. Now we head back into ES. So like I said, it needs to be item dot Christmas Crunch colon mince pie dot name equals mince pie. Save that, and we should be good to go. But the main essence of this mod is that when you eat one of these pieces of food that we're gonna add, it will give you a random item. Now to do that, we're gonna create an array, and we're gonna pick a random item from that array, and then give that to them. I'm gonna choose a random amount. But before we do that, last time we also had the problem of that it wouldn't go away once you've eaten it, and it wouldn't actually add up to your hunger. Now that's because there's other code. There's other code in our there's other code in if we go here, we're extending item food, and here we have on eaten, which is the one we're using. We need to basically do this code, but we're going to do it a lot easier. So we're going to go back in here, we're going to do minus, we're going to do item stack dot stack size. So that's going to -1 from our stack. And then we need to do this. We need to do player get food stats dot this function. Hasn't been named by Forge yet, and it's simple. It's this and then item stack, and that's just telling it to minus down our food. Now we're gonna get to the bit where we randomly do a thing, randomly give items. So we're gonna make a new array. So public. Hang on, guys. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, we need to make a new a public static array list, and it needs to store item stacks, and we're gonna call it items, and it's gonna be equal to the new array list item stack. So we've made a new array list, but our next one is we need to add lots of new blocks to this, or items and things like that. Now I have a list here of some blocks. Here we go. Should auto import them. So if it's an item like a diamond, it's items, and if it's a block like stone, it's blocks and things like that. It goes along like that. So I did that. You can add as many as you want, little as you want. I'm probably going to add that for now. But what we need to do now is randomly select one of those. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new random called rand, and we're going to make a new random. And we're going to need to import this because there are two options. There's Scala, which is another language, and there's Java, which is what we're using. So we're going to import the Java one. And we're going to make a new integer called number, and it's going to equal to the next integer from the random. And what we need to do is get the size of the amount of items stacks there are, and we need to minus 1 for that. And then we need to plus 1 to that, and then plus 1 to the final number. Like so. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to randomly generate the amount you're going to get, and then there's going to be a cap of 16. But first we need to tell it what our item stack is. So we're going to do item stack item equals items.get number. Put that in there. Now we're going to set the stack size, so item.stackSize equals rand. So we're going to use the same one again, rand.nextInt, and again, but this time we're going to do 16 minus 1, plus 1, and plus 1 again. Oops, that's underscore. And then finally we're just going to do player. Oh, yeah, hang on. Sorry about that, guys, but I just noticed I've done something wrong. What I've done is I've put copy here. You're meant to put copy, so it needs to be items.get number.copy, so it's a new copy of that. Back to where we were. So yeah, we've done that, and then we could just do player.inventory. So it's their inventory.add item stack to inventory, and then just return item. And there we go. It's simple as that. This should work. This should all work perfectly. Everything should be fine. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the video now. I'm going to load up Minecraft. Hopefully it's going to work first time. Hoping. And then I'll see you then. See you in a minute. Okay then, guys. Welcome back. So last time when we went into here and we went to foodstuffs, it would say item.Christmas crunch. Da 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 da. Now it says mince pie. Fantastic. Here we go. Here's our mince pie. And next episode, so that's tomorrow, we'll get some textures. I'm going to get somebody to do some textures for me. You can do them yourself. Normally 16 by 16 are fine. I'll show you how to implement them. Then we'll do some recipes and adding a few more of the items. And as soon as you've done that, as soon as that's done, we can release the mod on Christmas Day. So hopefully we can get everything packed in for tomorrow's episode. But should we try this out? So let's go game mode 0. I'm just going to run around. I'm going to go difficulty peaceful. Oh no, hang on. I should probably put it on hard, otherwise I won't actually lose any hunger. I'm just going to try and run about as much as I can until I lose some. Okay, this part of testing mods with hunger. You have to wait. Oh, it's gone. This track. Oh, what's happened? So an error has occurred, and I don't know what this is. So let's have a look at the logs. Let's see what's happening. Array index 7. So something has gone wrong. This line here has gone wrong. Oh no. I'll tell you what it is. It's because we added it twice. Because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 7 in the system, and we're adding 8. So we need to remove one of these. So what we do is just get rid of one of these. Save it. And let's try that again. And we'll see you once it's launched again. Okay, guys. So we're back. I've loaded up the game. Shut up. Shut. turn them down. They're going to be irritating, aren't they? Hostile creatures, friendly creatures, ambient. Just turn it all down. Right. Okay, and you ready? Let's see if this works. What just happened? My mince pie just disappeared. Let's have a look why that happened. Let's go back. Let's go grab myself a mince pie. Let's try again. Hooray! There we go. It worked. So now I've got my 3 apples. I don't know what happened there. I probably did something stupid in what I was doing. I don't think it's a bug with the actual mod itself. But yeah, so that's that all done. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. I definitely did. I learned that I can be an idiot and miss many things out and do things that really should be done, and I forgot about it. Yeah. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve. Get like a lot done tomorrow because we're on a deadline. I want to release it on Thursday without having to do any actual code. So yeah, it is, all the code is now on GitHub. It is definitely on GitHub. I said I was going to do it last episode, didn't get to do it, but now it is. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye.